In this video, I will show you how to share Spotify on Instagram story. Firstly, when you get up into a song on your Spotify site, for example on this playlist, as you can see right here you have that share button, and if you click on it, and then as you can see here you have these options in which you can get up and share it to an applicationable setup. As you can see here I have that story site on my Instagram. I need just to tap on it, and then directly it will take up this song to my Instagram story. Now you're gonna see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks like firstly, yeah, like this one. And now as you can see I can simply go for adding this to my story. I will just go and add it right here. I will turn off by getting to my Facebook. I will go share just to see how it looks like. And now as you can see, if I take that refresh on, and if I get back here on my story, as you can see guys, I have shared Spotify on my Instagram story.